When you create your React Native project using the command React Native init, this is the first screen that appears. And this file, index.js, is the entry point of your application that registers the root component of your application. So let's start by modifying the root component, that is the app. Let's remove everything that is inside the safe area view. Let's make this a class-based component instead of a functional component. So when we change it to a class-based component, we will have to implement the render function that will return the UI of the root component. Let's initialize the state of the component in the constructor. And this function will return an object. Let's define a state variable is game in progress to false. And let's use this state variable in the render function to decide whether to render the game or the home screen. So these are two components that we have to create. Let's first use the text component from React Native. I forgot to call the super in the constructor. Let's test the conditional rendering by changing its value from false to true. And we can see. So now let's create two components, game and home. Let's make this a functional component. So a functional component returns the JSX that returns the UI of the component. Let's just return a view for now that contains the text home. Let's import this component in the app. Let's do the same for the game component. And let's see if we make this true. Alright, that's it for now. Let's continue in the next video.